A homeless man donated his kidney to save a stranger's child. Weeks later, the family sued him for $150,000. The judge was stunned.
Your Honor, I've been homeless for 2 years after losing my job. I saw a flyer about a little girl who needed a kidney. She was 8 years old. I got tested and was a match. Doctors warned me the surgery was risky and follow-up care would be expensive. I did it anyway because she deserved a chance to live. I woke up asking if she survived. 3 weeks later, I was served with this lawsuit.
Your Honor, my client suffered emotional distress upon learning the donor was homeless and unemployed. They would not have consented had this been disclosed. They seek $150,000 for psychological harm and therapy costs.
I need to say this plainly. This man saved your child's life. Medical records show he passed every screening and met all ethical standards. His housing status has zero impact on organ viability. Suing him for emotional distress is unconscionable. This case is dismissed with prejudice. The plaintiffs are sanctioned.
If you are cheating, she is divorcing you.
Yes.
Are you okay with that?
I mean, I don't want to get no divorce, but if that's what, what we got to do, that's what we got to do.
Do you love her?
Yes.
Are you willing to do whatever it takes to stay with her?
No.
For the charge of second-degree murder, this court hereby sentences you to a term of 30 years in the State Department of Corrections.
No, please, I swear I didn't mean for anything, please.
Jesus, don't breathe, I've got you, it's okay, just breathe.
I can't,
30 years, I didn't, please.
ICE agents tackled a woman running toward an emergency room entrance, believing she was fleeing a checkpoint. They didn't realize she was the lead trauma surgeon. What happened next made the judge furious.
Your Honor, the subject was sprinting away from our unit near the hospital entrance. She had visible biological stains on her clothing, which we believe could indicate involvement in a violent offense. Following standard procedure, we detained her briefly to verify identity, ensure scene safety, and determine whether a crime had just occurred.
Your Honor, that blood was from a 10-year-old gunshot victim I was trying to save. I wasn't fleeing anything. I was running to the operating room. You handcuffed me for 20 minutes while my patient waited. During that delay, the child bled out on the table. He died because of that decision.
Let me be unmistakably clear. You detained a surgeon rushing to provide life-saving care. You chose suspicion over human life and prevented emergency treatment. That is not a judgment error, it is criminal negligence. This court rules accordingly. Bailiff, take the agent into custody immediately. You are remanded for sentencing consistent with this ruling.
Court is finished with you. Step outside.
Karen sued a 76-year-old retired senior after a shopping cart scratched his luxury car. She demanded $7,500 in damages. Watch how the judge reacted when she noticed where the car had been parked.
Look at that scratch. That finish costs money, and I want every dollar of it. I don't care how old he is. He should have controlled his cart. That is why I'm demanding $7,500.
Your Honor, the wind pushed the cart before I could stop it. I was trying to steady myself and reach for my... I'm retired, and I live on a small pension and Social Security. I never meant to damage anything.
You parked that car across a disabled access aisle and partly blocked a wheelchair ramp. You created the hazard, not him. This case is dismissed, and you will pay a $700 fine for the parking violation.
If you believe the judge made the right, hit like and subscribe.
Your sentence is 14 years.
14 years? I'm stealing makeup? Y'all serious right now?
Ma'am, step back. Hey, just breathe, okay? Step back.
Get your hands off